Okay, hello. In this video, we'll be doing a general walkthrough of Visual Studio of some of the features that you'll be accessing throughout the class. Once you have opened the application and chosen either a new or to open an existing application that you're working on, you'll notice it's still blank and it will scare you. But go over to your Explorer and beneath Windows application, whatever number it has given it, under My Project, your application should appear. It might be to the default Form 1, but we'll have the VB extension. And here you can see Hello World, which is one of the applications you'll be building. In most cases, Toolbox will be docked to the side. You can choose to open it and leave it open permanently, whatever's comfortable for you. And here you'll find all of your controls that you'll be adding to your forms. In the properties, you'll notice whatever you click on, it will show the properties for that item. Right now it's looking at button, display message, the different properties, the things that you can change, the names that you give it for what will display on the button, and what the name is for code purposes. You can also change features such as the background. You can add an image, you can add a color. You can do the same with your font. Font colors can be altered to give it a little bit of customization, so it's not just a simple basic white form. When it comes to testing your code, I won't click it this time, but you will choose right here above the work area. You have the word debug, any CPU, and start. So when you're ready to test your application and run it, you will click start. And from there you will get a series of tests run and some diagnostic information. In the lower box you will see any errors that pop up in your code, and also let me go to the code view. If you go to code view, errors will be demarcated with like a red dot next to the line number, and you know to just kind of look further there and see what. Sometimes it's as simple as the name being inserted wrong, or something in the labeling is incorrect. Okay, as I will probably mention more than once, be sure to regularly go back and save. Once you have opened a project or created one, save as, give it a name that is unique enough that you can find it later, and then save every time you complete something. Just, you never know what might happen if power drops. You don't want to lose hours worth of work. You have a lot of options up here. In this class, largely you'll use the toolbox to add input items and controls. You'll use debug if you need to explore a database, or if you want to. Those items are there as well. You can set up your workspace by choosing what windows are going to be immediately open, or you can close ones that you don't use often. You'll notice my color is dark with light colored writing. It's easier on the eyes once you look at the code for a while. The white screen can be a little painful. But, there are several options available to change the appearance so it looks good for you. And once you've opened the code view and the design view, you can easily travel back and forth between. And like I said, this is the majority of areas you'll be working in, and we'll be exploring more as we go along. Just remember, before closing, save again, and then exit out. Okay, I look forward to working with you, and I hope you enjoy learning more about Visual Basic.